Good day, riders! Welcome to the episode 7 of our safety series, and today we will talk about fuel saving tips for motorcycle riders. The first fuel saving tip is to ride smoothly and steadily. Rapid acceleration and sudden braking consume more fuel than gradual movements. So maintaining a steady speed on open roads and anticipating stops by easing off the throttle early allows the engine to operate more efficiently. Second, maintain your motorcycle regularly. Regular maintenance keeps your engine running at peak efficiency. A well-maintained engine burns fuel more effectively, reducing waste and preventing costly repairs. Third, avoid prolonged idling. Avoid letting the engine idle for long periods, such as when waiting or stuck in heavy traffic. Turning off the engine or using idling stop system during extended stops can lead to noticeable savings. Next is, check your tire pressure often. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, forcing the engine to work harder. Properly inflated tires not only save fuel but also improve handling and safety, especially on wet and uneven roads. Second to the last is reduce extra weight. Carrying unnecessary items adds strain to your motorcycle. Large top boxes, unused accessories, and heavy cargo increases fuel consumption over time. Bring only what you need for your trip. Less weight means less effort for the engine and better overall efficiency. And lastly, plan your trips ahead. Smart planning makes every ride more efficient. Combine multiple errands into one trip and choose less congested routes to reduce time spent in stop and go traffic. That concludes the episode 7 of our safety series. If you'd like to know more about motorcycle safety tips, enroll now at Honda Safety Driving Center. And don't forget to like and share our Facebook page. See you on our next safety series. Ride safe. Bye-bye.